developing a STEM challenge. So this just shows a couple of the different problem statements when we've run this with different groups, this particular one, what they came out with. So you can have slightly different problem statements even though you have the same problem. Then we have the overview on the next page where it talks about what's the focus, what are the overarching questions, what are the embedded curriculum in it. So that way if you were, say, a math teacher, you could do this problem, but you want to focus it more on the math pieces perhaps. It's got resources. The next page has your curriculum outcomes. And this is where we talk a lot about, you always want your learning activities to be connected to a need-to-know item because then the kids have a reason to do them. And then those, of course, your curriculum needs to be tied to standards. So we have examples on the curriculum outcomes of learning activities, need-to-know items addressed, and the standards that they relate to when we ran this unit. We also have a problem map on the next page, on page 5. And this just shows you, when we're designing a problem at the Academy, we often map it to try to see if there's enough there. If you start mapping your problem and there's only like one bubble coming off the middle, it's probably not a big enough problem. Okay. We have the anticipated problem statement here, down at the bottom. Why don't you take a second on page 5 and read the anticipated problem statement and see how we did on that compared with what we sort of came up with.